can call me Pay because I like attention. I'm eating these haters, so I stay up in the kitchen. I always work my magic like I'm a magician. I'm hitting your girl pussy from the back, and I call it Vixen. You can hear her scream my name only if you listen. If you so pissed off, go to the pot that's made for pissing, cause I don't have time for you or your bitchin'. I swear you so dull, cause it's the point that you are missing. And if you have a problem, you will come up missing, so I hope you play smart and make the right decision. I will blind you like the sun and make you lose your vision, hit you harder than you think. Then call it collision. I make a movie with your bitch and name the movie Sex Edition. I'm gon' force your ass to watch it, cause it gon' be best edition. Bitch, you are the police and I do not have no time for snitching. If you looking for your girl, she in the backseat with me kissing, and I got her on lock like the prisoners in prison. I will cut you into half, now you do the fucking division. Bitch, you better watch your back and you gonna need some supervision. Don't you try to ignore me, so I think you might want to listen. I will leave you licking and leave your girl pussy dripping, and I'm balling in on hoes and you will never catch me slipping. Can't never trust these hoes cause they always fucking tripping. I just call it as I see it, I'm just kicking shit and living. I should really be in jail for all these lyrics I keep killing. I fucking hoe, pass it down like a family tradition. You can never fucking beat me, so you might as well keep wishing. I got my main bitch at home, yes, we be ripping this, and I'm so tired of killing these hoes, so it's myself that I'm dismissing. And don't you get offended, something I forgot to mention. Bitches already ran their mouth, but they don't be talking about shit. And bitches already ran their mouth, but I bet now one I won't hit, cause they gonna run up on me and they get that shit split. I'm too hot for these hoes, they gonna need a oven man. I'm related to the toilet, cause I am the fucking shit. These haters don't have a clue who the hell they fucking with. Like that shit, smoke that shit, and just keep on passing it. And don't try to hop my shit, cause I ain't fucking having it. I will run up in your house and lay everybody down, cut all you bitches up till I don't hear a sound. This is really how I feel, don't fuck around and get killed, cause I start slicing bitches like the movie Kill Bill. Me and my niggas pull out night and smoke and drink and just chill. We are team no sleeker, we be in this bitch still. We be in it bitch still, cause we are team no sleeker, we be in it bitch still. We started from the bottom, now we on top of the hill. Shoot you dead in your head and watch your fucking brain spill.